Okay, the new part that we're going to do is the smokestack, or we can just call it the stack. This is part number 2. Just click on New. We're going to choose a new standard IPT. Make sure you're under the Minitrain project folder. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to create the general profile first, and then we'll worry about the counter hole, the counter bore hole that's going to go in at the end. Let's go ahead and create a line. We'll just create the general shape like we said, and this is about 0.25, and then it goes about 0.25 up, and then at a slight angle we're going to go up. The next height is about 1.5, and then it curves in like this, about another 0.25, and we're going to close the shape. Right click, done. Let's go ahead and start dimensioning. We set this dimension was 0.25. Okay, the diameter is 0.5, so we're dividing it by 2 because this is the radius. This height is 0.25 as well. The height from the bottom to this outermost edge is 1.5, and the overall height is 1.75. Alright, now the distance from the outermost edge to the center, it's 1.25 diameter, so we're going to divide this by 2 so it can give us the radius. Okay, now the distance from here to the center we don't know, but they do give us that 15 degrees. This has a 15 degree slant. Okay, so we can go ahead and make a line going up and give the 15 degrees here, or just by geometric properties we can go ahead and dimension from here to this edge. Since both angles are alternate interior angles, we can just dimension this one to 15 degrees and it should be the same. There's 15 degrees. Okay, and we're done with the dimensioning for these parts. If you want, just grab any of these sides, and if they're not moving, that means they're fully constrained. Let's finish the sketch, and we're going to do a revolve, a full revolution around this axis. Okay, this is our part. Let's click on OK. Okay, we're almost done. The last thing we need to do is we need to create the counter bore hole, which is going to be concentric to the top. So let's choose placement concentric. We'll put it here in the on the top, the concentric reference. Just make sure you choose one of your edges so that you can be centering it correctly. Again, it's going to be a counter bore. Now we can go ahead and fill out all of this information. Make sure the drill point is a flat drill point according to the specifications that were given. Let's begin with the top. The topmost diameter is 0.875, and the depth of that top counter bore is 0.375. Now for the smaller hole, it has a depth of 1.5, and the diameter of that bottom hole is 0.375. Okay, now once you follow all of these simple little steps, you can click on apply and done. If you want to give it any color or material, you should do that at this time. We'll save this part as the stack. Save it, and we're done.